If you're still handing your expensive tablet to your kid and hoping for the best, it's time to level up, folks. There's no reason screen time can't be safe, educational, and even a little fun. But not all kid-friendly tablets are created equal. The best models combine durability, parental controls, and performance without breaking the bank. We did the homework so you don't have to. And all the links are down below with the latest discounts for every product we mention. Let's jump in. Number 5. Lenovo Tab M10 HD, 2nd gen budget friendly and built for kids. If you're looking for a solid kids tablet that won't wreck your wallet, the Lenovo Tab M10 HD 2nd gen deserves a serious look. This one's built with young users in mind. From the easy to handle size to the kid-focused software baked right in, it comes preloaded with Google Kids Space, which gives your child a safe, curated digital world filled with age-appropriate books, videos, and apps. It has educational and entertainment content. The interface is totally customizable for kids, so they only see what you want them to. And with built-in parental controls, you stay in charge. Set screen time limits, approve apps, and even schedule digital bedtimes. Performance-wise, it's not the fastest tablet out there, but for browsing, watching shows, or reading ebooks, it handles the basics, like a pro. Perfect for long flights, road trips, or winding down after homework. Bonus points for the micro SD slot, meaning you can expand the storage as your child's app and video library grows. Number 4. Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids. Durability meets simplicity. If you're looking for a kid's tablet that can take a beating, survive a road trip, and still cost under $150, this is it. The Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids is built for life with, kids. It comes wrapped in a super sturdy, kid-proof case and features a strengthened screen made of aluminosilicate glass, meaning it's built to survive drops, spills, and sticky fingers. With up to 10 hours of battery life, this tablet's a travel hero. Long car ride, airport delay, no problem. It's easy for kids to use, and everything they love, games, videos, books, is laid out in a clean, familiar interface. Parental controls are top tier. You decide what they see and when. And because there's no access to the Play Store, they can't download random apps like YouTube Kids. That might sound limiting, but it's actually a win for keeping things safe and focused. Performance is solid for basic games and streaming, and Amazon includes a 1-year subscription to Amazon Kids, plus for access to tons of age-appropriate content. Now, it might take younger kids a little time to figure things out at first, but once they do, it's smooth sailing. And yes, the kid-proof case really lives up to the name. Trust us on that. For a durable, travel-ready tablet with thoughtful features and smart controls, the Fire HD 8 Kids hits the mark, and then some. Number 3. LeapFrog LeapPad Academy. If your goal is to turn screen time into learning time, the LeapPad Academy from LeapFrog nails it. This toddler-friendly tablet is built from the ground up for education. It comes preloaded with over 20 educator-approved apps that cover everything from reading and math to science, spelling, creativity, and even coding. Yep, coding for kids. One of the best parts? The LeapPad adapts to your child's learning level. That means the difficulty adjusts automatically, keeping the content challenging but not frustrating. It grows with your child's skills, which is a rare feature at this price point. Physically, it's made for little hands. There's a shatterproof screen, a sturdy build, and even a built-in kickstand for watching videos hands-free. Because let's be honest, kids aren't always gentle. Now keep in mind, once your child gets through the preloaded content, you'll need to either purchase additional apps or sign up for a $6 per month subscription to keep things fresh. Still, that's a small price for keeping young learners engaged without turning to mindless screen time. For early education and interactive play, the LeapPad Academy checks all the right boxes. Simple, safe, and designed to help your toddler grow. Number 2. Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids. Bigger screen, better performance, built for the long haul. If size matters, and let's face it, for kids it often does, the Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids is a total win. You're getting a vibrant 10.1-inch display, 2 inches larger than the Fire HD 8, and a 20% boost in battery life. That's up to 13 hours of uninterrupted learning, gaming, or binge watching cartoons, depending on the day. Performance also gets a solid upgrade with a faster processor. That means smooth sailing through animation-heavy educational apps, camera-based games like Pokemon Go, or even augmented reality adventures with Lego. And if you've got a slightly older kid who's too cool for the chunky foam case, Amazon has you covered with the Fire HD 10 Kids Pro. Same great tablet, sleeker look. The only difference is the case, and yes, it's removable if your child wants to switch it up. The kid-proof case still includes a kickstand, and setup is as easy as it gets. Parental controls are strong, and the first year of Amazon Kids Plus is included for free, unlocking tons of age-appropriate content. After that, yeah, Amazon will nudge you towards subscriptions like Audible, Kindle, and music. But if your family's already in the Amazon ecosystem, it's actually a plus. Bottom line, the Fire HD 10 Kids delivers premium features, long battery life, and room to grow, making it our top pick for kids of all ages. Number 1 Apple iPad, 10th generation premium performance, wide appeal. When it comes to tablets for kids, sometimes going mainstream is the smarter play, especially when you're talking about an iPad. The 10th generation model might not be the latest, but it still hits the sweet spot for value, speed, and kid-friendly usability. You're getting a powerful A14 Bionic chip, smooth performance, and access to the most extensive app catalog out there. From learning games to video streaming, it's all just a tap away. It comes with 64 gigabytes of storage, more than enough for downloading games, videos, and educational apps without constantly running out of space. And trust us, your kid won't notice it's not the newest model. The performance? Still excellent. The difference in price? Noticeable. You've got a 12 megapixel front-facing ultra-wide camera, perfect for FaceTime calls with grandparents or remote learning sessions, and a 12 megapixel rear camera that even shoots in 4K. That's impressive for a so-called kids tablet. And thanks to Apple's robust parental controls, you still have full command over what your kids can access. You'll get a full day of use on a single charge. This isn't just a toy, it's a real deal tablet that your child can grow into. So if you want something that lasts, entertains, and actually helps your kid learn, this iPad delivers. Give us a like if we made sense, and hit subscribe so you don't miss more gadget goodness.